Hi, my name is Janet. Today is June 25 and I'll be doing a walking exercise. But before I begin, I need to do a warm up to prepare myself for the long walk ahead. Warming up helps loosen my muscles and gets my body ready. I'll be walking along Cory Aquino Boulevard, the longest boulevard in the Philippines, located right here in Daet, Camarines Norte. It is a safe and scenic place, perfect for walking and getting some fresh air. My goal for today is to reach 5,000 steps. Let's go and make this walk count. I've walked 1 kilometer so far and I've reached 1,673 steps. I still need over 3,000 steps to hit my goal. Let's keep going. I'm getting closer. I finished my walk. Here's my updated step count. Now, I'll check my training heart rate. This is my recovery heart rate.